Pressured pero happy si Inigo Pascual sa pagsisimula ng filming ng Pinoy version ng The Good Doctor na mapapanood po very soon dito sa Kapatid Network. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
The Doctor is in. Finally, matapos ang ilang buwang immersion at paghahanda, tuloy-tuloy na nga ang production ng highly anticipated Philippine adaptation ng The Good Doctor. At the helm ng show ay ang mga premyadong direktor na sina Derek Cabrido at Avelson Bongco. Present pati si Starworks head Johnny Manahan o Mr. M na in full support sa bida na si Inigo Pascual.
I love Mr. M. He's my grandfather. You know, syempre, nakita ko yung pag-alaga niya sa tatay ko. And even to now, di ba, napasa na sa, I mean, not napasa, pero na-stretch out pa yung kamay niya and his care towards me. And it's something that I'm always going to be grateful for. And I love that he came to visit, he came to check on how we're doing.
In character na nga si Inigo as Doc Dong na siyang bida sa highly anticipated Kapatid show. Kwento ni Inigo, extra pressure rin sa kanya ang kanyang role na doktor na may savant syndrome.
Itong version na to, mas may puso, mas may pagmamahal ang version na Dong.
Kung mas emotional, may emotional, mas emotional.
Yun din, actually, yun yung mahirap itimpla kasi syempre we also have to keep in mind, you know, the savant syndrome. So paano ba i-juggle ni Dong yung emotions niya at the same time?
Masaya raw si Inigo na perfect timing ang entrada ng The Good Doctor, lalo na sa panahong mas bukas ang conversation at mas proactive ang mga magulang sa mga tao na may special needs.
Exactly. And I think it's, you know, about raising awareness. Siyempre, I think for me, you know, being as a kid, I was also asked by a lot of my teachers to have me checked up. But at the time kasi it was not as open when I was younger. And I love that nowadays, you know, it's something that is widely accepted.
Bago umere ang The Good Doctor ngayong taon sa TV5, mapapanood muna si Inigo this Pride Month kasama sina Elijah Canlas, Christian Bables at asikat and prog stars Kay Brosas at Benji Paras sa Drags to Riches na showing na in cinemas this June 24. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po. Eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang kay-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.